Good morning, children. Welcome back for EVS again. We have already finished, or we have already started with this chapter, Good Habits, right? We have already finished with two videos. We have seen what are healthy habits, okay? Good habits from that we have to take care of. Then, children, now here I would like to tell you that we have already done with those habits which keep us clean and safe from outside. Okay, now is it okay that only from outside we should be clean and safe? This is my question to you all. I don't think so, right? There are some things or some precautions or some habits that we have to follow to keep ourselves clean from inside, safe from inside, and healthy also at the same time, right? So we today we are going to continue with this only further. Good habits from outside, like let us recap, or a quick recap will do for that habits that keep us clean from outside, that is trimming our nails, right? Then taking bath every day, even cutting down our hairs, and putting oil or oiling your hairs, then washing our hands every time whenever we are coming from outside, or before and after the meals, or after the toilet, using of toilets. Okay, so all these things are habits which we have to follow to keep ourselves clean from outside, right? Now let us see what is staying healthy from inside. Okay, now this is very important to know that staying from inside is extremely important as staying from outside. Okay, so how to take care of ourselves? Now you know the situation, what kind of pandemic it is there, and how, and nowadays you must be hearing this immunity. This I've already explained you when we were doing that internal and external organs, right? So what, again I will be repeating the same thing. I know it is same monotonous same thing which I repeat every time, but then these are the things that are required actually. These are the most important things which we have to follow. Okay, so now this, what we should do to keep ourselves healthy as well as safe, okay, and clean from inside. First thing is eating proper diet. Okay, healthy diet. Now what is healthy diet? Healthy diet or healthy food is that food that is being cooked at your home. Okay, because your mother cooks it obviously with all the love in the world. That is the most important ingredient that she puts in, so it becomes healthier more. And at the same time, it is freshly cooked, right? Vegetables are properly washed, everything. So all these things are kept in mind when your mother is cooking food. So healthy food is that food that you have to eat, which is cooked at home. Okay, now lot of vegetables, all green leafy vegetables are healthy that you have to eat. Fruits, all types of fruits, they are very very important to keep or to boost our immunity, right? Fruits are the best thing which can boost your immunity, or which can keep you healthy and your internal body parts also healthy. Now there are different types of food or fruits which help to take care of different organs of our body. So we don't know, but in general, if we eat all kinds of food, that is the best thing which we can do, or that is the best gift which we can give to our body. Then you have to avoid junk food, as I told you when we were doing internal and external body parts. So junk food, again I told you why you have to avoid. I have already told you these things when we were doing that chapter. So this is some, here I am not going to go into detail or in deep. I just want to tell you what you have to do to keep your, or the habits that you have to follow to keep your internal body parts clean and safe. Second is drink lot of water. Okay, drinking lot of water is very very important. I've seen children, they don't drink water. I don't know why, but it is the necessity of our body. Not water not only keeps your body hydrated, but it gives you energy. Okay, secondly, it takes out or flushes out all the toxin, all unwanted things which are present in your body, which is not needed by the body. It lets them out. Water lets them out. So it is very very important. I'm not saying that drink water at one time, full glass of water. No, that is wrong. Okay, that should not be done. Actually, drinking water is the very important thing. Is you should first of all sit and drink water. You should never stand and drink water. Okay, secondly is sip water. Like one time you can take 5 to 6 sips. That is okay. Then after 10 to 15 minutes again sip 5 to 6 sip of water. So this is the way that you have to drink water. Drinking one time water is of no use. Okay, it will again harm your body. Second, one more important thing which I want to tell you now here is, don't drink water immediately after eating food. Okay, drink after half an hour or after 45 minutes. That is most important thing that you should remember when you are drinking water. And even before 45 minutes you should drink water, not immediately before eating food. So these are the small things that if we keep in mind, our body remains healthy and it fights such type of diseases. See, those who are safe, those who have not contacted with this disease, that means what? They are healthy from inside. Their immune system is very healthy and it is working 24 hours. Like, so nicely it is working. Very strong immune system. This should be kept in mind. Now, the next thing which you have to do is 8 hours of sleep is very, very important, is a must. See, while you're sleeping, you know what happens? Your body organs heal from inside. That is, whatever damage is being done in the whole day to your internal body parts, just because of wrong eating or whatever it is, of excess work. Sometimes we do excess work, right? So our internal body part get damaged. So many destruction takes place inside our body. That is overcome when you are sleeping. Okay, your body starts healing itself. So that is very very important. And when you are sleeping, your full body relaxes. So that means what? Your organs are also relaxed, right? So that is very very important for us to understand that this is the thing which we have to keep in mind. Okay, now the next is, this is very very important. Nowadays children usually don't do that. They don't go out and play. They are always on video games or TV or all these things. So please don't do that. Outdoor games is a must. Nowadays you'll say that how can we go out? Yeah, nowadays it is not possible. But then exercise at home, that is possible for you. Do yoga, which I have already told you in internal and external body parts, how to take care of them, our body parts. That is very very important. So now children, these are the things that we have already finished with. Like these are external things which we take care of, and these are the internal things that I have just now told you. See, taking care of these things will make us healthy, not only from outside, it will make us healthy from inside too. See, our thoughts are also very 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 important, that we have to control. Anger is the worst thing that you can give to your body. When you are angry, your body full becomes disturbed and nothing else works properly. So that you have to keep in mind. Everything has to be in control. Everything, your body works as whole. I have told you this when we were doing internal and external organs. So from head to toe, if you want to be healthy, everything has to be, small things have to be kept in mind, right? So, and I know these are the habits. In one day no one can become perfect, okay? But if we keep this in mind, you know, we gradually try to do this, and then what happens, it eventually it becomes our habit. Okay, so we have to make good habits. We have to adapt good habits. For adapting good habits, you have to keep these small things in mind. So this is very, very important, which have to be kept in mind and followed. Okay, and I hope you all have enjoyed this video, got knowledge, and other things we will be continuing in the next session. Okay, thank you children.